I don't know. Anyways, I'm about to show you how to put ringtones on the LG Glimmer. There you go. Audio. Hold up. Take the card out. But yeah, my audio. See? There you have it. Alright, them last three, I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, anyways, I bought them last three, but yeah, anyways. Just, you need to download the LG modem driver. I'll have the link in the description. Just download, and I'm not going to download it, I already have it. There you go. Next. Alright, a warning's going to pop up. Just click continue anyways. It might pop up more than once, but just keep hitting it. There it goes. Alright, now it's done installing. Hit OK. Now you need to plug your phone into the computer. Make sure your card's out or to fuck it up. So yeah. Alright, you should find it. It's automatically pop up. I just automatically install it. It's gonna take a minute, so I'm gonna stop recording. Alright, this warning's gonna pop up when it's done. Just continue anyways. And if it pops up more than once, just keep hitting continue. Alright, it's finished. Just hit finish and wait. It should find new hardware. Now if it says something about rebooting your computer, hit no. Anyways, it should read it again and it should pop up an install wizard. Just wait. Alright, there it goes. Just install automatically. I'm about to stop recording until it's done. Alright. When it's done, just continue anyways. Wait. And finish. Alright, it's searching for drivers. If you wait, another one's going to pop up. Just install automatically.